This is where we go, the Genesis 2. Brand new! I think, oh, look at that.
Always lift the lid open to start.
Okay.
And then flick these three knobs to that symbol. So you press it in and
okay.
And then that's ignite. And this button here is for, you can't see, but this lights up the dials.
Okay.
So at night time, and this is a light, so you can be, this will illuminate what you're cooking.
Sure.
When it's dark.
Okay.
But, and that is going to go in here.
Okay.
And then we're going to just melt all this together.
I'm loving this. The garlic butter with parsley and thyme. And I like the rustic nature of this. Yay.
And then we'll just add a little bit of Dorset sea salt.
Get that right. Oh, look at that sea salt. It's smoked.
This has actually got a little bit of dehydrated garlic in it as well.
Oh, clever move.
Okay.
With your asparagus.
Yeah. So we are going to just snap the stalks, just where it roughly wants to break it up a little bit on the stalks.
You sure you don't want to take on the chef life? You sure you don't?
Wonder what? Leave the chef knife on. The gas is going. Always keep the lid up, and then there it is.
Oh wow,
It's
that
all
was
lit.
a big boom.
Yeah.
So you turn it on first.
Everything on full. We want to kind of burn it off because a lot of the components are covered in a thin layer of factory grease, which is kind of just so it's going to stay nice and clean. We're going to burn that off for about 10 minutes before we cook. And then we pop the lid down, and you've got your cook box temperature,
which is linked to my
digital,
phone
here, and this is the probe temp, which is the probe is here. Now we need to actually change that because that's on Fahrenheit.
Okay.
So we do need to change that once the update's done. I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
These are cast iron cooking grates, and this central circular piece is called the Gourmet BBQ system, and you can take that out and put other things in, like a wok or a Dutch oven or pizza stone. There's loads of things you can fit in there.
Okay.
And
that's quite versatile in that sense. So you could cook your rice, my jollof rice in my case.
It works really, really nicely for cooking rice, definitely. Noodles, rice, potatoes.
Look at that steak.
Do you want it?
How many have you got more today?
Oh, probably about another 8 or 9. So I can't enjoy that steak, unfortunately.
No, you can't. The fewer the merrier, they say. Yeah, normal. You do it. I'm just in like a rain. Yeah, just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Seasoning doesn't finish.
There we go. Let's season this meat.
Until it goes in the mouth. That's when you stop seasoning.
This now, okay. So,
you ready?
Yes, I am. Go for it. In terms of the temperature, will I be able to reduce that using the app, or would I have to physically come
on
here
this grill,
to do so?
it does have to be manually done. Temperature.
Okay.
Everything with the temperature has to be done yourself.
Okay.
But you can track all the cooks on the app.
Okay.
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 Oh no, it didn't work. the sun catching the fat.
That's such a beautiful steak.
This is another company.
That's so cool.
This is handmade in England, you know.
See? How rustic could this be? That's so beautiful.
Now I'll throw the asparagus in.
Yes.
A bit of sea salt.
Yes, please. Gosh.
This is an additional burner in between these two burners, and this is for cooking at like accelerated heat. So it's like a turbo for your barbecue, searing red meats and things that you want to get that lovely finish on.
Okay.
Yeah, I like to give them a little bit of debatable, because I think that it gives them more tenderness and breaks down some of the...
Absolutely works beautifully on these things too.
It does, yeah. You need to eat it straight off the grill, but...
Yeah, oh yeah.
There we go, the Genesis 2.
Sorry, I'm... Oh yeah, that's ready, yeah.
And two, you've got to film your asparagus.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
Bring it.
Probably enough.
Yeah. My favorite part. That's beautiful. Can I have a slice? Yummy. Advantages of filming. Oh yeah.